in the Netherlands, here in Amsterdam. Together with our Moluccan brothers and sisters, we were the Pacific Island Bloc. And we stood here today in solidarity with all the island people in the Pacific whose islands are sinking due to climate change and the rising sea level. They are fighting against colonialism in West Papua and Maluku, and therefore we stand here today in their fight against climate change together with more than 30,000 people here in Amsterdam. And it is absolutely a historical day, one of the biggest climate protests here in the Netherlands, and let's hope that this will be the beginning of the many. And as you can see and hear, all those people have walked for about 2 to 3 kilometers here in Amsterdam city. And this is the Pacific Island Bloc in solidarity with all the Pacific Island nations who are fighting against climate change. And you must know that Indonesia is one of the biggest polluters in the world, who are cutting a lot of trees in Maluku, in West Papua, which is contributing to the climate change. And therefore we stand here against colonial Indonesia, against corporate interest for only economic benefits. And we know that we need every tree which is existing on this planet. And Indonesia is cutting a lot of trees in West Papua, in Bali, in Maluku. And the Pacific Island people must know that here in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam, we stand in full solidarity with all the island people. Papua Mardeka, Maluku Mardeka, Pacific, free from colonization, together!